Guys, so I have two iPad Kids 10.5 for the 07 to 2014 year Escalade ESV, Escalade EXT. So it's like in this kind of a subtile. So they come in two different colors. It's a red wood trim and a dark red, or I don't even know like what is this one called. Yeah, but it's like darker color. So it have a nice sway lining here, and so basically you go and install your the AC controls first, and then you install your dash bezel, radio dash bezel kit. So you have to kind of slide your iPad in, and it basically sits on the AC lines and AC controls, just like this. To take it off, just lift it and push on the top part. It slides off easy, just like this, just like this. So on your dash, you have to kind of trim on this area here to make it work. So you have to kind of slightly carve it here and there, and relocate your original player somewhere. What you can do also with your AC controls, that you can make a hole here, and from inside just put your jack to charge your iPad or to sync the music. And this is the dark wood grain that I call it. So this is under it. iPad slides in and seats is on the controls. It will not go anywhere. Yeah, so do none. To take it off it's easy. So just slide just a little bit, push on top part and slide back. Very easy. Or what you can do also, just slide with the button to the top, and same way, slide top, and you have a camera here for your the FaceTime video or anything, just like this. So I sell my kits on the eBay through the PayPal payment or your Visa card, so safe for everyone. And those kits are gone like fast, so if you want any of the dark wood or regular red wood, just let me know, and because I out of stock a lot, and I can make you one within like week or two. Just contact me on YouTube, D Customs Garage. I will post the link is on the bottom, and just contact me in the comments and we will go from there. I buy them used, but they're in very good condition. You can send me yours, but it will take like a little bit more time by the time it comes to my place, and then I will work with it. So it will take about a couple of weeks, and you driving without the dash bezel, it will kind of weird. So there are lots of options what what we can do.